comes to loading dishwasher, with a lot of people, especially with my bendy patients, a lot of issues come up. So one of the things that I recommend is, well, maybe you should have someone else do the dishes. That's the easiest fix. But if you have to, you load the dishwasher, load the top before the bottom. So go heavy on the top and not so much at the bottom. With my bendy population, bending down and pots may not go together, so lower yourself down. Maybe if you can squat down, you can. If you can sit on a little bench or a little stool, that's okay too. The point here, and then do not overreach because of the subluxation in the shoulder. For the non-bendy, that could be issues with tension over here, so get yourself closer. Type hypermobility tips if you want to get more tips for the bendy population.